my dear students. As you know, we are decorating our living room. I am back with another addition in the drawing room. So my dear students, today we are going to do the wall decor with the help of folk art. You can see a beautiful wall decor and very easy to make with the help of just only newspaper and the newspaper pipes and cardboard sheets. Dear students, and you know, today we are going to decorate our drawing room with the help of wall decor and requirements: paintbrush, paint colors, poster or fabric what you have, some glitter foam sheets if you have, it's okay. Otherwise you can use your simple papers only, pencil for the drawing of the pattern, scissors for the cutting, newspaper and one old cardboard sheet with the Fevicol. First step to make a newspaper pipe, you already know. I will show it again. I need one empty ball pen refill, you know, and you can use your broomstick also. Now from this side you have to start roll it. Apply a Fevicol and close it. Now our stick is ready. Now move to the second. Same way, take a paper, empty ball pen refill and one corner and start it. You can take a small newspaper piece, and if you want big, you can make a half paper. Let it dry. Now our newspaper pipes are ready. Big size also, if you want small size. See, our newspapers pipes are ready. If you want to make small one, you can make it small one, and if you want to make big, you can make it big also, according to your choice only. Now time to paint them. So I will be going to use here fabric color only. If you have fabric color, you can use, otherwise you can use your black poster color also. For painting of our newspaper pipes with the black color, first keep the newspaper on the table, as you already know, to make it neat and clean. Now take one pipe, color, brush. Now start. If you don't want to color the newspaper pipes, you can use your directly color paper to make them. Any A4 sheet, any colored A4 sheet you can take. But we have to use always waste material. So I use this newspaper only to make our sticks. Now move to the next one. Next one, we need 10 to 12. So paint all. Now you can see all are paint. Keep them one side to let it dry. My dear students, now move to the next step. And we are going to use the old cardboard sheets. So I'm going to draw a circle with the help of my sellotape roll, or you can use your bangle also. Draw circle. We need 4 circles. So first I'm going to draw 2 circles and going to cut with the help of scissors. Circles are ready. Cut them very slowly under the guidance of parents by following all the safety rules. Cut it. If you don't want to use your cardboard sheet, you can just directly take any hard paper also, and instead of the coloring you can use your colored papers also. Now time for the second one. Cut it. Now move to the next one. We need 4, so this is my third one. I'm going to cut it. Now last one. This way. All 4 circles are ready. Keep them now one side. Now I am going to use one white sheet for the drawing of body of my folk art. First, going to fold it half this way. You can use any with the help of pencil. I'm going to draw a shape of body this way. You can see when I'm going to start cutting, this way. Now open it. The body of folk art wall decor is ready. Now time to paste them on a hard paper or any hard cardboard. If it's not, this time for the tracing. Trace it with the help of pencil. All 4 shapes will be same as only, so I will be going to repeat it again and again, all tracing. This paper will help us to give a proper shape, so that's why I just draw first on my rough paper, not directly on the cardboard sheet. Cutting time. One is ready. Now same will be for the second also. Do the tracing. Now start cutting second one also. All 4 are ready now. Keep all extras hard sheets one side and clean the table also. Now you can see all 4 are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4 and all 4 circles also ready. Just only our arms and legs are left, which we are going to make with the help of newspaper pipes, which already painted with the black color. Now time to paint them also, so I am going to use my fabric color. You can use any colors of your choice, otherwise you can use your directly I shown in the video. In the starting one, you can use your glitter foam sheet also, and otherwise you can use your poster colors also. So activity also. So I am having one white sheet. I am going to keep my circle, and on these circles I am going to do the paint, fabric paint of black color. My color is ready. Now with the help of paintbrush you can start coloring all 4 circles. This way. This is the third one. Now last. This is the last one. Now let it dry for a few seconds. Then only you can start work on the next. Now keep them one side. Time to paint these base, body base. So first I am going to use my yellow color. As I said, you can use your glitter foam sheets also, or any colored paper also, if you don't want to do the coloring work. And while coloring work you have to be very careful. Just see, do it. And I will tell how we can give the shade also afterwards on the base. This is the flat color only I done on the cardboard sheet. Keep it one side. Clean your brush and take another color. I'm going to choose my orange color. On here also, just give the flat color first. This way. Let it dry and keep it also one side. Now time for the third color. Third color I will choose as a red color. Keep it one side. Clean your brush and take your red color and apply on the cardboard. So next also ready. Move for the next one. Last one is left only. Last color I'm going to choose as a purple or blue color, you can choose. This way. Let them dry. till you can wash your brush, because we have to give little bit shade also on that. Now I'm going to give little bit shade with the orange on the base of yellow. This way. Now you can see the difference. Now on orange I will give shade with red color, so it will give the 3D look also after the shading. Use your flat brush number 8. Now see what was now see shade is already done on blue if you want to give, otherwise it's already dark, and red is also already dark, so no need to give. If you want to give, you can give with that orange color on the red. So all shading work is done. Now move to the next step. I'm going to make a designs. We done already dot painting. So here also I'm going to do the dot painting only with the help of my white poster color and pencil tip also you can use, otherwise you can use yours back side of your paint brush. Now all are dry, so first I am going to do on the this with the help of pencil color. You see this is flat, so it will give a beautiful dots. Dip your color into a white fabric color. So I'm going to start with dot drawing. You can give any texture if you want to give. You can make any design on the dresses. These will be the dresses of our folk art figures. Any pattern you can repeat. So on first one just only dots will be there. This way. So this is complete. Keep it one side and please let it dry properly, otherwise your dot will be spread on the base. So no need to hurry, let it dry it properly. Now move to the second one. Second is I am going to use my red. So first of all I am going to put one single dot and now round. This way. Any design you can create which you know already. or easy one also for you to do. You can add any other color also if you want. Now this side. For third, I'm going to use my black color. Any design, same with the black color also you can do. Now move to the next one. You can use the stickers also or stones also for the decoration on the dresses. Let them dry properly. All are ready, you can see. Now time to fix them with the sticks, newspaper sticks. First keep them one side. I'm going to tell you how we can cut our sticks in the form of the legs and arms. So this is stick. I'm going to cut them into small pieces. And now move to the third one. Now last one. We need a small also. I will tell how much. This much is enough to show our neck of our folk art figure. So we need 4. Now I cut them. These 4 will be as a arms, and these 4 will be for the neck, and these 8 for the legs. Now time to fix them. First make sure your pattern should be dry, then only you can start pasting on the base. Now this part I am going to use for that arm. So I will be going to place it this way. This way with the help of Fevicol. Now for the legs, this will be your choice only in which direction you want to give the pose. So one will be straight And if you want to make it bend, you can make it bend also. Second one, this way, to show the joint. This way I will show you. This way you can do to fix this with the help of Fevicol. Now you can see first is already ready. Same way we are going to attach all figures properly. Let it dry. And for legs, take one long stick and place it. And now second one, you can see I already little bit bent, so you can use it this way also. And at this joint also you can apply a Fevicol. It will take a time, so like this we have to do for the all. Now my dear students, you can fix them according to your choice. Anyway, see, you can just give the hand movements also, arm movements of your choice. These all four are ready now for our wall decoration of our drawing room. So my dear students, this is very easy to make. I know my students are very creative. They will do it definitely back home, and they will be enjoy this activity also for decorating their living room. So be creative always and try to do your best.